Twins are dancing on the dew. I walk alone, but feel you near. Your voice a memory, sweet and clear. Whispers in the light, calling me home. Carried on the breeze, wherever I roam. A song of the heart, quiet and true. Every gentle note, reminding me of you. The river flows, it knows my name. Through silent woods it speaks the same. Time may pass, but love will stay in every step along the way. Whispers in the light, calling me home. Carried on the breeze, wherever I roam. A song of the heart, quiet and true. Every gentle note, reminding me of you. Even when the stars don't shine, I will hear your soul in mine. In the stillness, in the skies, your love will never say goodbye. Whispers in the light, coughed as the rain, falling on my heart, easing the pain. A song of the heart, timeless and new. Every gentle note, reminding me of you. Whispers in the light, soft as the rain, falling on my heart, easing the pain. A song of the heart, timeless and new. Every gentle note, reminding me of you.
Beneath the willow tree I lay, dreaming of words I couldn't say. The wind recalls your silent grace, a memory time can't erase. Your laughter once would fill the air. Now only issues linger there. The sun still shines, the sky still glows, but nothing feels the way it goes. And I still wait by the stream for hues of our faded dream. Your name still dances on the breeze, beneath the old familiar trees. I trace the paths where we once walked, where stones remember how we talked. The earth still holds your footprints there, though time has worn them soft and bare. Seasons pass and leaves will fall, but I still hear your midnight call, a whisper in the branches high that tells me you are never far. And I still wait by the stream for a hose of our fatted dream. Your name still dances on the breeze beneath the old familiar trees. Someday the wind will carry me back to that place beneath the tree where silence sings and hearts are free, and you'll be waiting there for me. Someday the wind will carry me back to that place beneath the tree where silence sings and hearts are free, and you'll be waiting there for me.
Evening glow paint the skies with golden hush and soft hand cries. I sit alone and breathe you in, like silence flowing on my skin. The shadows stretch, the world slows down. No one left in this quiet town, but I still feel your voice inside, like moonlight where the dreams reside. The world is quiet, the night is deep. I find your face in every sleep, a fading star always inside. I'd miss you more than ever now. I hold your picture in my hands, the time we drew in shifting sands. It slips away but leaves a trace of every smile, of every place. No need for words when I recall the way you looked that final fall. Even in silence I can hear the love that kept you ever near. The world is quiet, the night is deep. I find your face in every sleep, a fading star always inside. I'd miss you more than ever now. The world is quiet, the night is deep. I find your face in every sleep, a fading star always inside. I miss you more than ever now. I hold your picture in my hands, the time we drew in shifting sands. It slips away but leaves a trace of every smile, of every place. Evening glow, don't fade too fast. Let me live inside the past, for in that warmth you still remain, a gentle light through window pane. rose around my feet, whisper secrets soft and sweet. I walk this path we used to know, the color deep in amber glow. The trees still sway the way they did when we were young and hearts were hid. The colors change, the sky turns gray, but memories don't fade away. Seasons change, but not my mind. You're the autumn I still find in every leaf that falls from high. You're the hello in every goodbye. The bench we carved our names up on still sits beneath the early dawn. I trace the bark, I touch the wood, and feel you there just like I should. I hear your laugh in rustling trees. You move with every autumn breeze. Though time has taken you from view, the world still brings me back to you. Seasons change, but not my mind. You're the autumn I still find in every leaf that falls from high. You're the hello in every goodbye. The bench we carved our names up on still sits beneath the early dawn. I trace the bark, I touch the wood, and feel you there just like I should. I hear your laugh in rustling trees. You move with every autumn breeze. Though time has taken you from view, the world still brings me back to you. The world still
When morning comes, I think of you. In every drop of sky-born dew, the world begins a song so new, and every note reminds me to the birds begin their fragile tune. The sun climbs slow, a silver moon still fades behind the golden sky, and brings your warmth into my eyes. You're the light that warms the day. In quiet things I hear you say, though you're not here, I'm not alone. You live in every morning's tone. breathe you in, and let the healing day begin. You're part of me in light and song. With you I'll always still belong.
The tide rolls in and washes clear the footprints of the yesteryear, but every wave still sings your name, soft and steady, just the same. The sky turns pale, the sea is wide, but still I feel you by my side. Though far apart by shore and sand, I still can feel your guiding hand. Tide and time can't pull apart the echo living in my heart. Though miles and years may lie between, you're still the light behind the screen. The lanterns float, the stars aligned, and bring your memory back to mine. I whisper secrets to the sea and hope they drift their way to thee. I send a prayer across the foam that you'll be safe and not alone. One day we'll meet beyond the blue, and I will run again to you. Tide and time can't pull apart the echo living in my heart. Though miles and years may lie between, you're still the light behind the screen. Until the waves no longer rise, I'll search for you in ocean skies, and know that in the swelling spray, your love will never drift away. Raindrops tapping on the glass, memories fading slow and fast. A quiet breath, a silent name. You're still here, but not the same. I trace your voice in falling drops, wishing time would just stop. In the whisper of rain, I hear you call, soft and low. Through it all, falling light, a tender sound. You're the echo that I found in every breeze, in every sigh. I still feel you passing by. whisper of rain, I hear you call, soft and low, through it all. Every drop, a piece of you. In the quiet I see us two. I walk alone, but not in vain. You're with me in the rain. Morning breaks with golden light. You're the warmth that feels so right. Coffee steam and silent grace. Peace is written on your face. No need for answers, no need for sound. With you my heart is safe and sound. You are my home in every dawn. With you all my fears are gone. In your light I find my way, safe and sound every day. Hold me close, just like the sun. With you my battles all are won. The world outside may twist and spin, but here with you I breathe again. No rush, no race, just time to be. You've made a quiet world for me. Even when the skies turn gray, your voice can light my way. Through every doubt, through every night, you guide me gently back to light. You are my home in every dawn. In your arms I'm never gone. In your light I rise and stay. Peaceful heart, come what may. Home in your light, soft and true. Every day begins with you. Wrote you a letter I'll never send. Words I fold but never end. The ink still runs with things I hide, like all the tears I left inside. Each word a weight I couldn't say, so I put the pen away. Letters unsent, drifting in air, filled with things I couldn't bear. Pages of hope, corners spent, carrying all my love unseen.
thousand thoughts I never showed, still waiting in the envelope. Your name still lingers in my song, a place where silence feels so long. I write the truth, I leave it bare, but I still don't know if you care. What if I had mailed it then? Would we still be more than friends? But the moment passed and left a scar of words unspoken from afar. Letters unsent, lost in the breeze, tied to memories I can't release. Each line a whisper I still regret, each word a promise unmet. A thousand thoughts I never showed.